Recon Man, back with another repair video. Got us a seat. It's missing a little color. We're gonna clean it up real good and dye it. Same with the steering wheel. It's got some wear. Needs to be cleaned and dyed. That's on a Dodge Ram. We got a GMC Duramax Denali HD. With steering wheel wear. The tricky one on this is the color. Dark brown. Back with the finished product on the Dodge Ram, steering wheel and seat. Hopefully the sun isn't so bad from this angle that you can't see it good. See if I can get a twirl going here. So that top section right through there was all really bad for wear. Steering wheel looks brand new. Seat looks really good as well. I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. And the GMC Denali Duramax, I will post that finished product in the very next video. Later.